Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mostly beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today is going to be a collective haul, you guys. As many of you know, almost every brand has been having really good sales over the past couple weeks. And so I've been taking advantage of some of those sales. If you follow my community tab, every now and again I'll post whoever's having a sale so you guys can check that out. I did film this video and unfortunately the audio was not working at all, so you guys could not hear what I was saying. So it's going to be somewhat of a voiceover. Every single thing that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. The first item is this ring. It's just a big circle ring. I ordered it off Amazon, you guys, and so what it is a ring that you use to basically reflect light. And I really wanted to get into doing TikToks and more YouTube shorts and possibly Instagram reels, and I wanted something to just give me more bright dynamic light, especially when I don't have my big lights on, something that could really, you know, light me up and illuminate me. So I thought this was really cool. Next up is something else from Amazon, y'all, and so this is actually a lipstick from Iman Cosmetics. They are out of business now. They went out of business almost a year ago, I want to say. I talked about this lipstick, how it's my favorite, on one of my recent videos, which was my former Holy Grails, and it's the Iman Nude color from Iman. Beautiful peachy tone. I was able to find it on Amazon, nowhere else. Absolutely beautiful. The only one I have left, I'm literally scraping out with like a lipstick brush, and so I'm super happy to have it. I feel like it's the perfect peach for African American skin tones. So as I was looking on Amazon to find the Iman Nude shade, I stumbled on another shade from Iman, which is called Baby Doll. Now this one is a little bit more pink to it, like a mauve pink, which is actually the color I'm wearing today. You guys, so beautiful. So it was a blind buy. I just saw it on Amazon, and I thought, I love Iman Nude so much. It's so perfect for African American skin tones that I thought that might be the perfect sort of everyday pinky mauve, and it is. I love it, you guys. So yeah, this one's Baby Doll from Iman. Next up is a skincare product that I've told you guys about a couple of times, which is the glycolic wipes from Skin Scripts. This is a product that I was introduced to from my esthetician. It's more of like a professional brand, you guys. These glycolic wipes are so good. I use them to sort of fade my dark marks. This is probably like my third or fourth jar. I actually just filmed an empties video as well, and I think I have 2 of them in my empties, you guys. So this is definitely a staple in my skincare routine. So I was out of them, and so I just had to order another. And they did add this avocado lip treatment in with the package, as well as like some other samples of skincare. So I'll keep you guys posted on how I like those. Next up is a Fashion Nova order. So Fashion Nova recently had 50% off their entire site, and I ordered a couple of items that I had previously ordered. You guys, I love these 2 items so much that I had to buy again. Now this is a pair of pants. These pants are called the Janet Snatch leggings in black. Now I already own the Janet Snatch leggings in a dark brown color. Loved them so much I had to get them in black. You guys, these snatch your waist in so good. They're super thick, heavy duty leggings, you guys. It's giving Wolford. If you've ever tried Wolford leggings, you know those are so thick. It's almost like a pant, but it's a legging in one, and it flatters everybody's shape. Y'all, this is how these leggings do. They're so thick and sturdy. The quality is so amazing. It has a thick waistband that snatches you in so well that I just knew I had to get it in black when it came in stock. So I do have them in the size extra large. And next is the Cashing Out Poplin bodysuit. Now I've worn this bodysuit on a video, like a shopping at Sephora video before, and I'm the person that has a bunch of white collared Oxford style shirts that button down. I have so many. I have oversized ones. I have some with gold buttons. It's like my uniform. I just feel like it looks so put together with anything. You can throw them on top of, you know, jeans or shorts, or if it's the bodysuit kind, I feel like you can wear with leggings if they're the really thick leggings, or really anything under the sun. It's just a staple in wardrobe, and this one fits so well. When you button it up, it leaves like an open V collar, and it just flatters your shape at the top so much. I had to order a backup, and it's not super see-through. The quality has a little stretch in it, and the material feels really good. Next is from Sephora. It's the Josie Maran Whipped Body Cream. It actually went on sale at Sephora one day, you guys, for like 25% off. The quality of Josie Maran, y'all, is super top tier. So I had to pick me up one. I got the unscented one because I wanted also a body cream that I could layer with my fragrances that didn't add a scent to it. So this is pretty much the only body cream that I have that's unscented, and I really needed something like that. This body cream really does leave an amazing shine on the skin as well. Next is a product that the socialites made me do it. It's the Fenty Hella Thick Mascara. I had been in the market for a new mascara because my YSL Lash Clash basically ran out after 5 months. It was time for me to get a new one. So I wanted to try something different. I'm actually wearing it today. This is like my second time wearing it so far, and Coastal Lash is a lot thicker than my YSL, but I'm not mad at it. It's a pretty decent mascara. Next up is the new Makeup by Mario blush. This is another item that the socialites made me do it. I did get the color Perfect Pink, and I like the blush. I've worn it already in a previous video. It really does an amazing job at plumping the skin and smoothing. So it gives you just a really smooth, airbrushed, beautiful look to the skin. I've never used a blush with a formula like that. I love it so much that I'm really thinking about getting another color. You guys, comment down below if you have this blush and what do you think about it. Next up is a pair of shoes, you guys. So Tom Ford had 50% off of a ton of their items on their website, and I'm very much a fan of the Tom Ford padlock sandals. They're not only really cute, trendy, and a sexy shoe, you guys, they're not bad to walk in at all. They don't leave your feet hurting. I really love the style and the look of this shoe, and so I got it in the patent leather color. I just couldn't resist. They had a lot of the really cool colors, you know, 50% off, and I think the regular price is like $1,200, so it's a really good deal. This is like the second time that I saw Tom Ford do the 50% off of, it wasn't only just the padlock sandals, they had it on their boots, the pumps that have the little T on the back of them. A lot of the shoes that were kind of on my mental list were 50% off, you guys, but this was the only pair I got. The single sole sandal, I'm very much a fan of single sole sandals, and I don't have a black pair of single sole sandals anymore. My other pair was Steve Madden, y'all, and I wore those down to the ground. So I knew next time I got a pair, I wanted it to be more of like a high-end or, you know, luxe style of shoe. So I really like this shoe. If you've been considering it and wondering about the comfort level, the comfort level is there. You won't be walking like Bambi like More Melanin said she was with her So Kates. So they're not bad to walk in at all. If you wanted a shoe that looks like this and didn't want to pay that price point, you guys, Nine West has a dupe for this shoe that I don't think you have the padlock on it, but every other part of the shoe looks very, very similar. So you could check out Nine West as well. This was the second time that I saw they had 50% off of these styles before. So I don't think I will ever pay full price for this shoe again, because I do have this same padlock heel in silver, which I did pay full price for. But now that I see they do go on 50% off like a couple times a year, I'll probably just wait it out for the sale. And speaking of Nine West, I did get something from Nine West. Nine West had a sale that was like $40 or $39 on all of their shoes. And if you guys know anything about Nine West, they have good quality and a great price point, and their styles are like up there. They have the trending, popping styles of shoes always. And so I did pick up this nude pair of single sole sandals. If you notice, this one has a much shorter heel than the Tom Ford ones does, even though this is not the dupe I was telling you about at all. This is just like a single sole sandal, and I wanted something that was just more on a lighter spectrum of nude that I could just wear with my white or my pastel outfits and stuff like that, that would be comfortable, that if I needed to like walk around downtown around or go to a concert or graduation and have a lot of walking, I could still be really cute with a heel on, but not necessarily hurt my feet, if you know what I mean. So that's it for my collective haul, you guys. We've been going back and forth on Instagram in the DMs about the sales and what we're picking up. So comment down below, let me know, with all of these sales that have been going on lately, where have you been shopping and what have you picked up, sis? Every single thing that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.